Welcome back. You're watching Headlines Now with me, Anusha Venkatraman, giving you the latest educational update. The Pondicherry University, offering strings of courses in various disciplines, is all set to introduce a new post-graduation 5 years integrated program pertaining to media sciences in the coming year. Professional Jalise A.K. Thareen, Vice-Chancellor of Pondicherry University, conveyed the news in a press conference in Chennai this morning. The Pondicherry University, spread over 780 acres of lush green forest on the East Coast Road, is the only central university to fully utilize the total allocation of 273 crores and has been rated as the A-grade university, recently creating a record growth of 300%.
The philosophy of integrated program has gained a lot of importance in the current scenario in order to attain high quality higher education, particularly those leading to those which lead on to the research program. You know, the reason is that a student who enters integrated program gets the blessings of senior professors right in the university itself, because he has the atmosphere and the ambience of a university and the library and the laboratory facilities. So therefore we are going in a big way for integrated programs. We already have integrated programs in 7 subjects, and perhaps we are thinking of introducing that in the electronic media also in the coming year.
Anna Hazare has ended his day-long fast over the Lokpal bill. The social activist and his team wanted the nitty-gritty of the bill discussed at Jantar Mantar on Sunday. A group of seasoned politicians from across party accepted the invitation to speak at the venue of Anna Hazare's token one-day fast, but left with an emphatic message. Those details are the prerogative of the parliament. Leave it to the parliament. Anna Hazare today appealed to the opposition parties to join his agitation for the strong Lokpal if they do not have the numbers to correct the government in the parliament raising the pitch. Anna attacked Congress General Secretary Rahul Gandhi for the second time in 24 hours, accusing him of weakening the Lokpal bill, and also singled out Home Minister P. Chidambaram for his criticisms against it.
मेरा कहना का मतलब है, राहुल गांधी से मेरा कोई झगड़ा टंटा नहीं है, वो भी एक युवक है, लेकिन प्राइम मिनिस्टर का सपना देख रहे हैं आप, तो आपको प्राइम मिनिस्टर बनने के लिए बहुत कुछ करना पड़ेगा, बहुत कुछ करना पड़ेगा। आपके प्रति त्याग कितना है? एक दिन झोपड़ी में बैठकर नहीं होगा, कई दिनों तक झोपड़ी में रहना पड़ेगा, वो त्याग होना चाहिए, तब तक इस देश के लिए भविष्य नहीं। आज देखते हैं इलेक्शन सिस्टम में वो जो इलेक्शन का पेटी होता है वो लेकर जाते हैं, उसकी गिनती होती है और वहां उम्मीदवार खड़े होते हैं। गिनती के टाइम पर वो उम्मीदवार देखते हैं कि ये मेरे गांव से आई हुई पेटी है, इस गांव में मेरे लिए कितना वोटिंग गिरे है, और उसका बदला ले लेते हैं। ये गलत सिस्टम है। ये आज के इलेक्शन सिस्टम में जो पेटी यूज हो रही है, बॉक्स यूज हो रहा है इलेक्ट्रिकल, बिल्कुल गलत है। टोटलाइजर मशीन है, टोटलाइजर, उसमें दूसरे आदमी को पता नहीं चलेगा। मैं लिखा लेटर प्राइम मिनिस्टर को, ये टोटलाइजर मशीन लाओ और वो यूज करो, इस मशीन को निकाल दो। कौन सा इसके पीछे? अरे ऐसे गृह मंत्री मिल गए देश को तो ये देश कहां जाएगा? रामदेव बाबा को लाठी चलाया, क्या जरूरी थी? गृह मंत्री इस प्रकार के इस देश के बन गए हैं, क्या होगा इस देश का? तो मैं गया नहीं, आखिर उनको जगह देनी पड़ेगी और रामलीला मैदान पर फिर हम बैठ गए।
Former BSP leader and Lok Sabha MP Dhananjay Singh has been arrested by the Lucknow police for his alleged role in a double murder case in Jaunpur. 2 people from the Nishad community were murdered in 2010 in the Kerikat village of the Jaunpur district. Mayawati had already distanced herself from the Jaunpur MP after allegations were levelled against him in the controversial CMO murders and irregularities in the implementations of the National Rural Health Mission. And eminent cartoonist Mario Miranda died at his home in Goa today. He was aged 85. Miranda was one of India's best-known cartoonists and social chronicles. His unique, rib-tickling, tongue-in-cheek art won him acclaim across the country. Over the years, he contributed regularly to various newspapers and magazines. He later moved into the illustration of fine art. Mario worked in the UK and Paris as well. He was awarded the Padma Shri in 1988 and the Padma Bhushan in 2002. More international buzz coming up your way in just a minute. Stay tuned.